Howdy, folks. Welcome to my review of the race boat. Like you're on a race boat. Yeah, this is for ages 5 and up. I think I matched that criteria. So, let's build this thing, bro. This comes with a female of the Lego variety. So yeah, pretty cool. Kind of face. It has a face. You must decapitate it. You got this like weird little jumpsuit thing. Reminds me of something my friend Jimmy used to wear. But Jimmy's no longer with us. And here is the boat. The boat. It is right here. And yeah, it has this piece right here, which I'll use if I break this down. And these cool yellowish orange, like creamy orange colored plates. I really dig that. And we get little these things, and one extra piece. So yeah, that's about it. But I'm not done yet. You scroll over here. It says boat does not float. And I gotta test that, right? So yeah, I got a bowl, got some milk. Don't worry, it's expired. Hey, it floats. See if these things float. I don't know about that.